Hi guys, so this is a quick and easy black beans and rice. And first I'm going to start by adding my sofrito to the bottom of the pan with a little bit of oil. And these are the ingredients and seasonings that I'm going to use. Garlic powder, sazon, adobo, some thyme, some Creole seasoning, a chicken bouillon, and whatever you could find in your cupboard that you like. First I added my beans and of course, like I said, all my seasonings, and I'm waiting for all of that to come to a boil. Once it's nice and bubbly, I added my rice after it's cleaned and rinsed. Then I stir that up for a few minutes. When it comes to a boil again, then I'm gonna add my water and let that come all the way to a boil, and boiling it on high until the water meets the rice. And then we're gonna stir it up, and I like to put it like in a little bowl and cover it for 45 minutes, and then there you go, perfect black beans and rice. Enjoy.